The best keto green bean casserole, a low-carb twist on a classic comfort dish. Craving that classic green bean casserole, but trying to stick to your keto goals? You're in luck. This keto-friendly version of the beloved dish delivers all the creamy, savory goodness you love without the extra carbs. Whether you're following a keto lifestyle or just looking for a healthier side dish, this recipe will quickly become a staple on your dinner table. Packed with fresh green beans, a rich mushroom cream sauce, and topped with crunchy, keto-approved pork rinds, this casserole is perfect for any occasion. Why is this keto green bean casserole a game changer? It's not only low-carb and gluten-free, but also incredibly easy to make. Plus, you won't miss those carb-heavy fried onions at all. This dish stays true to the original flavors while making it lighter, healthier, and friendlier to your macros. Here's what you'll need to serve 6 people. 1 pound of fresh green beans, trimmed and cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup of heavy cream. 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. ½ cup of shredded cheddar cheese. ½ cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup of cream cheese. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Half medium onion, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of butter. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup of crushed pork rinds. For the crunchy topping instructions. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Steam or blanch the green beans until they're tender but still crisp, then set them aside. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, and mushrooms, sautéing until soft and golden, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the cream cheese until melted, then slowly pour in the heavy cream. Add the shredded cheddar and Parmesan cheese, stirring until everything is smooth and creamy. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste, and combine it with the cooked green beans. Stir everything together until the green beans are evenly coated in the sauce. Transfer the mixture to a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Sprinkle the crushed pork rinds over the top for that perfect crunch. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the topping is golden and the casserole is bubbling around the edges. Let the casserole cool for a few minutes before serving. Looking to mix things up? You can add some crispy bacon bits into the casserole for extra flavor, or swap out the mushrooms for your favorite low-carb veggies. The beauty of this dish is its flexibility. It's easy to customize while staying keto-friendly. Have you tried making a keto version of your favorite comfort food yet? Share your thoughts or variations in the comments below.